All right, so there is absolutely nothing on tearing apart the Rivian RT1, so I'm going to show you guys how to take apart this door panel. Hopefully this helps you guys out. We wrap cars here, and so we got to take this off so we don't have seams around the mirrors. If you guys do PPF, I'm sure you're going to want to do the same. And there's absolutely nothing on these forums, so I'm going to show you what we got so far. So we got the door panel here. I have already taken this piece off. You have a T20 back behind here. If you take this little cover out here, you'll have another hidden T20 down there. I'll show you guys what the back of this looks like. All right, so this actually slides back behind the door handle like so. You'll have to carefully pry without damaging anything. I'll show you where your main clip points are here. You have two towards the back, which is where you're gonna wanna start from. It is flush, it's tight. You have to get something thin back in there. We've used a couple wrap tools, plastic tools, and then it has these hooks on the back. So be careful not to break those. Let me get these taken out real quick and show you the rest. All right, next you wanna move on to this piece here. This has, I've already taken it off, has about 6 clips, maybe more, yeah, about 6 clips with metal ears on them. Make sure not to break those. You'll have another T20 here, and you'll have another T20 here. All right, so you're gonna take your little clip tool up underneath here, start prying these up. As you can see, nope. All right, so you're gonna take your little clip tool here, start getting up underneath here. All I like to recommend, starting from the bottom, you will have to pull fairly aggressively. You'll see you got your white clips here. Work your way all the way around the bottom and on up. All right, so you have to pull up on the panel once you got all your clips loose there. It does have these locking clips up top that run into the rubber seal or the little felt track that goes right there. I just pulled up on it, was able to get it loose. I'll pop these off individually. It's very similar to the Dodge Chargers. All right, you may get a backup camera not working after taking the mirrors and the door panels and everything else apart. So to do that, you'll have to do a factory reset, hard reset. You're gonna press this button here on the left, and you're gonna press this button here on the right at the same time for about 15 seconds. Then you know it's about to restart the display. All right, everything's reset. All right, so we've got it in reverse here, and we have our cameras back up. So hopefully this helps you guys. If you take the door panels and the mirrors off, you may have to do the hard reset. And if you guys want to follow for any more good content and tips, make sure to subscribe. We appreciate it. Stay breezy.